how are you? In this occasion I will show you my Arduino project for a counter. So this counter looks something like this. It has one LED, one sensor and a button over here. So, passing first with the code. In this part I have all my variables that I will use are in total 6 and constant integers, normal integers and boolean values. In my setup I put all the pins from the variables and also I put a serial begin so I can use the serial monitor to look what is happening. In my void loop I have established that state equals the digital read of the sensor and button equals the digital read of its pin. I put here an if button equals high, TF will equal 1. This I'll show you why in 1 second. So if button is not high, then TF equals 0. And if TF equals 0, that it means true or false, then the counter will be adding 1 every time the sensor detects something. And if the sensor or the counter gets 10 or higher, the LED will turn on. Then in the second part, when I click the button, TF will equal 1. And if TF equal 1, now the counter will be decreasing. Okay? So if the counter is decreasing, basically it's the same. It will show the values, but now the counter will be that decreasing. And finally, I put a delay over here, so the process is slower and I can show you better. So I will open my serial monitor. Here it's nothing at the moment. And look that when I pass my hand with the sensor, the serial monitor starts detecting and is adding numbers to the screen. So I will pass my hand and it starts counting up. What happened when I get to 9? Well, one more and the LED will turn on. Okay, that because it is in 10. Okay, and I can continue like this as many as I want, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But let's see the other part. So when I click this button from here, now the counter will be negative. So if I put my hand, it starts decreasing. And basically that's how my code works. As you can see 7 and now the LED is turned off.